Hello everybody. So today we are going to be playing some laser. Laser is laser is a fast-paced um sort of like an arcade shooter. Fast-paced arcade shooter, but also not like that. So yeah, let's get this started. So and let's do this thing. So it looks like we're gonna be doing Juggernaut, and the map is the glass house or something like that. So what you do is you have to, in this case, since it's Juggernaut, um we have to kill that one guy right there. So I got him fairly well. Press the step on and yay! We did pretty good. I think I was like second place. I wanna look at the kill. And who's over? Oh, over. Something. Let's see. We did bad apparently. And I opened a new gun right before I started. So let's see here. I'm guessing that's shop. What's this? Oh yeah. I got the Rex. Whoever that one is. Is this the Rex? Blaster. Where's the Rex? Maybe looking for Raya. That isn't it. That isn't it. That isn't it. This isn't it. This is it. This isn't. Holy cow. I don't know who would want to. Oh. Okay then. Let's start. Capture the flag. Capture the other team's flag and bring it back. Most flags return revenge. We're playing on swamps. Cool. You can also get like small little power-ups up there. I know that for a fact. And to slash, well, you can see the controls on the to slash is E. Slide is something else. As control. So yeah, I'm doing super good. At least I think so. I do the thing. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. Other than that, I killed him, but I think I at least got an assist. Just sliced my own team. Well, I try to. Hey! Gosh darn you. Yeah, I got the flag. Ow. What gun did he that? What gun does he use? And he's just like, poof, dead. I do this thing. How did I not kill him? Just die. Still got ya. Invisible. Oh. That is stupid. Just jump down. I'm doing bad apparently. Well, I think so. Oh, I'm first person. Let's do the thing. Oh, no, I'm last person. Well, now I'm second. Oh, be careful, it's this person. Gotta. Yeah. I think we lost. Just saying. We won! Oh, it was a tie. Well, let's see how good I did. One capture, we go 2 deaths. I think that's pretty reasonable. Come on, tin it. We were close. Really close. Next up close, we had it. I have 1,000 Robux. No, don't. Seriously? We just. Just pretty close actually. Let's go do that power code stuff thing. Come on, just let me through. Gotta go fast like Sonic X. Didn't it? How do you get to there? That's my question. Oh, oh yeah, oh. Basically got there. Gonna climb this wall. Yes. No, this one now. Yeah. Oh, I know how to move my foot. Hey, I'm better than all of you. Just kidding. You're the best subscribers of my 9. That just sounds so sad. And it is because nobody likes my videos. Wait. Slide to the left, slide to the right, bring it back, slide to the left, slide to the right, bring it. Holy cow! I hate that weapon. That weapon is stupid. I need to get a new weapon. Cause mine you have to shoot them like millions of times. Oh my word. It's so bad. I have so many guns, but I just don't have enough guns for any of them. But because I like never played this game, I played it like once and that's all. Oh my god, this stupid moonshine is making me so angry. Major Rager, Major Rager. Major Rager. Major Rager, Major Rager. Holy cow! This person is stupid. Let's do this. That'd be sick. Let's do this thing. 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 Oh, got ya. I might broke your ankle. I'm 5'4". That helped a lot. Come at me, bro. Come at me. That was pretty sick. Look at this. Look at this. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna shoot him now. Boom. Oh. Oh. Yeah. I think that we lost. Yeah. I did get my purple. That last time I got like 7 kills with my freaking sword. I'm slowly but surely getting there to get a gun. Cause I have a lot in my inventory. Like this one is the one I equipped. But like look at this one. 1,500. This is gonna be like, do they all cost 1,500? Probably. So I'm gonna have to get a lot of coins. So get 100 cards. People should feel you. They should, but they don't. Oh, what's my rubber for? Shout out the tip of my eye. When 10 runs are free for all. I love free for all. Parkour. Parkour. Parkour arena. Parkour arena. I like the parkour arenas. They're like the best arenas ever. Definitely, if you think of it. Parkour. Oh wait, let's do it. I thought I was floating about. I'm setting a world record. Look at that skill. Look at that skill. Look at that skill. Did that moon swamp? Christmas time, a dab. Oh, Moonshine joined? Curse you, Moonshine. How? Got ya. Yeah! Woo! I am champion, my friends. Woo! Oh, that skill. That skill. Hey, just look at that skill. Oh, yeah, I'm level 6, 7. Did I get anything special? Am I just now that level 7? Moonshine better leave. So I'm leaving. And you guys know what that means. Okay. I think it's time to leave. So, bye. I hope you liked this video. And peace out and laser. No, sorry. Bye, guys. I hope you liked this video. Laser out.